Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to move your games in the EA app on PC. Let's get started. First, open the EA app on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Library at the left hand side and find the game you want to move. Click on the game picture to open its details page, or you can click on three dots. A menu will pop up. Click on that and then choose View Properties. A window will pop up. Browse to the folder or drive where you would like it to go. For example, from C drive to D drive. Once you pick the new location, click Select Folder. The EA app will automatically move all the game files for you. This might take a few minutes depending on the game size, so just be patient. When it finishes, the game will be installed in the new spot. You don't need to reinstall it or lose any progress. Everything stays the same. And that's it. We have successfully moved your EA game to new location on your PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.